What's up, you guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to day-to-day look using just drugstore products. I don't want to toot my own horn or anything, but I think that I have found the perfect drugstore products to use for a day-to-day look, like the one that I am wearing right now. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Alright, hello. Starting off with a clean base, I just washed my face and I moisturized with CeraVe PM. Now for foundation, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Outlast All Day Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation, and this is in the shade Natural Beige. And to apply that, I'm going to use my beauty blender. I just bought this at Rite Aid. I know that you can buy beauty blenders at Ulta and stores like that, but they're like upwards of $20, and I got this one for $3.99. So who's the real winner here? And I'm going to dab this all over my face and then blend it in. And I make sure to get it all around my nose because around my nose gets really red. Just blend it all around. And something about me is that a lot of concealers leave a weird ring around my eyes, so I usually just take the foundation and use it as a concealer. Make sure you blend down your neck. You don't want that line. Now that we're done with the foundation, I'm going to set it with the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and this is in Silky Beige. This powder leaves my skin smooth and matte all day, and it adds just the right amount of coverage on top of that foundation. This is one of my all-time favorite powders in general, both high-end and drugstore. And as you can see, it really mattifies my face, which I'm a huge fan of because I can get oily throughout the day, which is no fun. And I'm going to take the powder down my neck too, just to make sure that there's no harsh lines. Now to bronze up my face, because I need a little bit of life back in me, I'm gonna take the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer, and this is in Sun Bronze. And I've never been a huge contour person. I just kind of like put it on my cheeks kind of, and don't focus too much on where it goes. I just like a little bronze all over the face. And then I also take this all down my neck so everything matches. It's the most important part. Now that I have some color back in my face, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Powder Glow Illuminator Highlight and Blush. And I'm gonna take this and swipe it over my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead to add that little extra glow. I really like this product because it adds such a natural glow, but at the same time it's such a beautiful color, and I really like it. Now to fill in my brows, I'm going in with the Easy Breezy Brow Fill and Define Brow Pencil, and this is in Rich Brown. And I'm not the best at eyebrows. My eyebrows, I kind of just say that they're there. They don't really do much. So I just kind of fill them in lightly and hope for the best. Also with eyebrows, I make sure to buy a color that's a little bit too light for them, because since my eyebrows are so dark and I do have lighter hair, it's important for your eyebrows to not be super dark. So it's always good to buy a shade a little bit too light. Alright, now that I've kind of done that, I think it looks okay. Everything's fine. Everything's going fine. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Brow Drama Brow Sculpting Mascara, and this really helps set the brows in place and keep them so they don't move around all day. Sometimes my brows get a little wacky halfway through the day, and this just kind of helps set them down, calm them down a bit. Now onto eyeshadow, I'm taking the Maybelline Expert Wear Eyeshadow Quad in Sunlit Bronze. I use this on a day-to-day basis, and I just kind of use it with my fingers, so don't judge. I take a little bit of the gold color in the upper corner and put it on my ring finger, and then just smudge it onto my entire lid. And then I do that again for the other side. And then using my middle finger, I'm going to take this bronze color right underneath it, and I'm going to take that and put that on the outer corner of my eye. I know that those weren't the right tactics. Nobody tell me that they were wrong. I already know that they're wrong, so I'm one step ahead of you. Now I'm gonna line my tight line, and for that I'm using the Rimmel Exaggerate Waterproof Liner, and this is just in, it's just in black. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna line the upper line of my lash line, and this is just gonna make my eyelashes look fuller and more dramatic. I always hate doing this because it makes my eyes water, but it makes your eyelashes look different, so I recommend doing this. And then for mascara, I'm taking the CoverGirl Clump Crusher, and I'm going to do 2 coats of this on my top and bottom lashes. Now that the mascara is done, all that's left to do is lips. For that, I'm just going to take Aquaphor and put this all over my lips. It's really nice just to add a little bit of a shine, but still keep your lips really, really hydrated. For a day-to-day look, I think it's perfect because it adds just the right amount of sheen and shine to your look without being too dramatic. So this is my day-to-day look just using drugstore products. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. Bye!